Infinitychainsa reviews. Platform overview. Accounts and market access. People searching for Infinitychainsa reviews often want to understand how the platform works, which tools are available, and what makes the online environment convenient for exploring financial markets. According to the information presented by the brand, Infinitychainsa is a fully browser-based trading platform designed around accessibility, transparency, and flexible market access. Users do not need to download or install additional software. The platform can be opened through a modern browser on a computer, tablet, or compatible mobile device with an internet connection. One of the positive features highlighted in Infinitychainsa reviews is the account registration process. Infinitychainsa states that users can create an account without making an initial deposit or providing payment details immediately. Funding becomes necessary only when the account holder is ready to begin completing transactions. During registration, users can select Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin as the cryptocurrency connected to the account. The selected currency is permanent, so the platform clearly encourages users to consider the available options before completing registration. Infinitychainsa also presents customizable account choices designed around different strategies, experience levels, and personal objectives. This gives users the opportunity to review available account structures and select an option that appears suitable for their preferred approach. The platform highlights spreads starting from 0.0 pips, access to more than 300 professional tools, and advisory availability during market days. These features are presented as part of a wider environment focused on efficient navigation and organized market research.